Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Peppa Pig and steal the show in DTI. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can transform your avatar into everyone's favorite little piggy without needing VIP. So for the skin tone and also the hair, I'm going to show you the hair first. I'm using these two hairstyles, this one and also this one's right here. And for the skin tone, I'm using this coat, and also the hair I'm going to make it the same. So this is the cord for the skin tone. And next you can just go to the dressing room first, because there are lots of code items that I'm using for this look. Okay, so the first one here, I'm going to use this leg warmers, and I'm going to change the color into this orange color in here, this one. And I'm going to use next one is this hat right here, and change the color into the same color with the skin tone. All of it, make it the same like this. So this is the ear. And after that, I'm going to use this dress, this one, and make it the same color like the skin tone. And next one, I'm going to just find the shoe and also the top that I'm going to wear here. So for the shoe, I'm going to just use this black shoe platform, and going to just leave it as it is. And one thing that I'm going to add again is this tops right here, and to go it into here, change the color the same. And now you are going to add this hand gloves, this one, and use the pink color. So for the dress and also the top, you are going to change the color into orange, such like the leg warmers, like this. And the sleeves the same with the skin tone. So this is the final look for the Peppa Pig. I hope you like this hack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.